If you took a snapshot in regards to investor sentiment and market dynamics responding to silver supply and the overwhelming deficit, your eyeballs would pop out of your face. Here's what's happening. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that silver. Now, check this out. This is from the Silver Institute showing the supply shortfall. And of course, this is the 5th year running of a shortfall in supply. It's forecast to be around 117 to 149 million ounces. Those are millions of ounces. And look at this increase in industrial demand. 4% increase year over year. Here's how investors are responding. June's ETF boom. This just happened. Silver ETFs saw, look at this number, a massive 1.6 billion in net inflows. That exceeded total 2024 inflows. These are incredible numbers. Look at it compared to gold. Larger inflows than gold. That's what they're showing. Silver ETFs outperformed gold funds for 3 straight months just in this year. And that's driven by this industrial demand. Look at this from MarketWatch. We're in a 13-year price high. Just hit it. 13-year price high for silver. We have a combination of safe haven and industrial play that's all pulling at silver. Investors are seeing this, and we as stackers need to see that silver is not just the poor man's gold. It is a strategic play, and that's what investors are seeing. I mean, you just saw those numbers, billions of dollars going into silver, because anyone looking 3 months, 6 months out, anyone can see that all of this demand with just a finite metal, there's just a small amount of this metal. That's why it's called a precious metal. All of this demand coming at silver, it's pressure giving us momentum, moving that silver price to where we've been waiting for, $40, $50, $60 an ounce. This is all at play. And traders, investors that study the history of silver, study the price dynamics of silver, look at all of these moving pieces, they see it. And they're putting their money on it. Look, money goes where it's treated best. It goes where it's treated best. And clearly, billions of dollars going into silver shows us that as stackers, if you're like me, I'm putting myself in this lot. I've been waiting on the sidelines. I've been sitting thinking, oh, silver's not moving. Maybe it's dead. It's not moving. Well, it's just been in a state of correction. We've got momentum now. And this is showing us, this is the snapshot. The top of this video, I'm telling you, this is the snapshot that is showing us silver is going where it's supposed to go. And we're going to look back at this time and think, I should have picked it up when I could afford it. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles every month. They hold this contest every month. Click that link, take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.